Good day. Now let's do some examples on sum and product of roots. Example 1, 3. Example 1.3. One. Given the roots of the quadratic equation ax squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0 are alpha and beta. Find the equation whose roots are alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. Solution. Given 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 equals 0. Clearly, a equals 3, b equals 5, and c equals 1. Recall, alpha plus beta equals minus b over a. And alpha beta equals c over a. Substituting for a, b, and c, b and c, in the above relations, we have alpha plus beta equals minus 5 all over 3, and alpha beta equals 1 over 3. Now we'll let the roots of the new equation be alpha prime and beta prime. let alpha prime and beta prime be the roots of the new equation. Where alpha prime equals alpha plus 1 and beta prime equals beta plus 1. This tells us that alpha prime plus beta prime equals alpha plus 1 plus beta plus 1, which is equal to alpha plus beta plus 2. We know from here that alpha plus beta equals, minus 5 over 3. So if we substitute for alpha plus beta in this relation, we will have minus 5 over 3 plus 2, which gives us 1 over 3. Now, alpha prime beta prime equals alpha plus 1 into beta plus 1, which is equal to alpha into beta plus 1 plus beta plus 1, which is equal to alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1. This implies alpha prime beta prime equals alpha beta plus alpha plus beta plus 1, which is equal to, if we slot in figures, respective figures for alpha plus beta and alpha beta into this relationship, we'll have 1 over 3 minus 5 over 3 plus 1, which is equal to minus 1 over 3. Let me give you a few seconds to copy the question, then we'll proceed with the solution. Now, if we recall, x squared minus into alpha prime plus beta prime x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0. Alpha prime beta prime equals 0. And if we substitute respective values for alpha prime plus beta prime and alpha prime beta prime into this relationship, we'll have, I'm going to rub off the question since you guys must have copied it. Solution to problem 1 continuous here. Solution to problem 1 continuous. So substituting for alpha prime plus beta prime and alpha prime beta prime in the above equation, we have x squared minus into one over 3 x minus 1 over 3 equals 0, which implies 3x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0. And this is our new equation. Take that down, gentlemen. And our solution is complete. Now let's do example 2. Example, the second example under section 1.3. Example 2. Given the equation three x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0, with roots alpha and beta. Find without solving this equation. This equation. The equations whose roots are A alpha squared beta squared B alpha cubed beta cubed C alpha plus beta all squared alpha minus beta all squared and D 1 over alpha 1 over beta. Solution to problem 2. Given 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Clearly, A equals 3, B equals minus 2, and C equals 1. Recall alpha plus beta equals minus B over A, and alpha beta equals C over A. This will be equal to 2 over 3, and this will be equal to 1 over 3. Okay, now problem A. Let alpha prime be equal to alpha squared and beta prime be equal to beta squared. This implies alpha prime plus beta prime is equal to alpha squared plus beta squared, which is equal to alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. If we substitute respective figures for alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this relation, we have alpha beta is 2 over 3 all squared minus 2 into 1 over 3, which yields minus 2 over 9. Alpha prime beta prime will be equal to alpha squared beta squared, which is equal to alpha beta all squared. This gives us 1 over 3 all squared, which is 1 over 9. The new equation is given by x squared minus into alpha prime plus beta prime x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0. So if we slot in the respective values for alpha prime plus beta prime and alpha prime beta prime in this relation, we have x squared minus into minus 2 over 9 x plus 1 over 9 equals 0. Upon simplification, we will have 9x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. And our solution is complete. Yeah, jot stuff down, man. Now let's do problem B. We're going to rub off this side of the board. Problem 2B. Let alpha prime equals alpha cubed and beta prime equals beta cubed. Then alpha prime plus beta prime equals alpha cubed plus beta cubed, which is equal to alpha plus beta all cubed minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. We slot in respective values for alpha plus beta and alpha beta in the resulting relation. We have alpha prime plus beta prime equals 2 over 3 all cubed minus 3 into 1 over 3 all into 2 over 3, which upon simplification gives us minus 10 over 27. And alpha prime beta prime will be equal to alpha cubed times beta cubed, which is equal to alpha beta all cubed, which is equal to 1 over 3 cubed, which is equal to 1 over 27. And our new equation is given by x squared minus alpha prime plus beta prime x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0. So if we slot in these figures into this equation, we have x squared minus into minus 10 over 27 x plus 1 over 27 equals 0, which yields 27x squared plus 10x plus 1 equals 0. And that's our problem B. For those of you who couldn't follow, let's start with the answer to problem 2A. Example 2A. Given 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Clearly, A equals 3, B equals minus 2, and C equals 1. Recall, alpha plus beta equals minus B over A, which is equal to 2 over 3. Alpha beta equals C over A, which is equal to 1 over 3. Now problem A. Let alpha prime be equal to alpha squared and beta prime be equal to beta squared. Then alpha prime plus beta prime equals alpha squared plus beta squared, which is equal to alpha plus beta all squared minus 2 alpha beta. Slotting in these figures here results in 2 over 3 all squared minus 2 into 1 over 3 gives us minus 2 over 9. And the new equation is given by x squared minus into alpha prime plus beta prime comma x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0. Slotting in the respective figures for alpha prime plus beta prime and alpha prime beta prime, we have x squared minus into minus 2 over 9 x plus 1 over 9 equals 0. Upon simplification, we have the resulting new equation to be 9x squared plus 2x plus 1 equals 0. Now for problem B, the same argument follows. We'll let alpha prime be equal to alpha cubed and beta prime be equal to beta cubed. This implies alpha prime plus beta prime equals alpha cubed plus beta cubed, which is equal to alpha plus beta all cubed minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Slotting in figures, we have alpha prime plus beta prime equals 2 over 3 all cubed minus 3 into 1/3 into 2/3. Upon simplification gives us minus 10 over 27. Alpha prime plus beta prime equals alpha cubed beta cubed, which is equal to alpha beta all cubed, which is equal to 1/3 all cubed, which is 1 over 27. And our new equation is given by x squared minus alpha prime plus beta prime all into x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0. If we slot in the respective values for alpha prime plus beta prime and alpha prime beta prime into the new equation, we have x squared minus into minus 10 over 27x plus 1 over 27 equals 0. Upon simplification, on simplifying, we get 27x squared plus 10x plus 1 equals 0, which is our result. It's as simple as that. Now let's do example 1c. Example 1c. Let alpha prime be equal to alpha plus beta all squared, and beta prime be equal to alpha minus beta all squared. The sum of roots will be alpha prime plus beta prime, which is equal to alpha plus beta all squared plus alpha minus beta all squared. This is similar to alpha plus beta all squared plus alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta. On further simplification, we have alpha prime plus beta prime equals 2 into alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta. Minus 4 alpha beta. And if we substitute respective figures for alpha plus beta and alpha beta in this relationship, we have 2 into 2 over 3 all squared minus 4 into 1 over 3. The thing which gives us 8 over 9 minus 4 over 3, which results in alpha plus beta being equal to minus 4 over 9. Now, alpha prime beta prime will be equal to alpha plus beta all squared into alpha minus beta all squared, which is equal to alpha plus beta all squared into let's rub this up and bring this down so that we shouldn't confuse the head. This implies alpha prime beta prime equals alpha plus beta all squared into alpha minus beta all squared, which is equal to alpha plus beta all squared into alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta. So if we slot in our respective figures for alpha plus beta and alpha beta, in this relationship we have alpha prime plus beta prime equals 2/3 all squared into 2/3 all squared minus 4 into 1/3 minus 4 into 1/3, which is equal to 4/9 into 4/9 minus 4/3 we'll continue on this side of the board. So we'll erase this solution to problem B. So upon simplification, we have, first, this is continuation. Of the solution to problem problem 2C. Upon simplification, alpha prime beta prime will be equal to 4/9 times minus 8/9, which is equal to minus 32/81. Now our new equation is given by x squared minus alpha prime plus beta prime x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0. So slotting in the values for alpha prime, beta prime, and alpha prime plus beta prime, in this relation we have x squared minus into minus 4/9x minus 32/81 equals 0. So upon simplification, our new equation will be 81x squared plus 36x minus 32 equals 0. So this is our new equation. This is minus here, not plus. This is minus. We have a minus sign here. It's not an addition sign. That's minus. Now let me explain how we came about this. The roots of the new equation are alpha prime equals alpha plus beta all squared, and beta prime equals alpha minus beta all squared. The sum of roots alpha prime plus beta prime equals alpha plus beta all squared plus alpha minus beta all squared, which is the same thing as alpha plus beta all squared plus alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta, which leads us to alpha prime plus beta prime equals 2 into alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta. Upon substituting for alpha plus beta and alpha beta in the new relation, we have 2 into 2 over 3 all squared minus 4 into 1/3, which gives us 8 over 9 minus 4 over 3, which is equal to minus 4 over 9. Now alpha prime beta prime equals alpha plus beta all squared into alpha minus beta all squared, which is equal to alpha plus beta all squared into alpha plus beta all squared minus 4 alpha beta. On slotting in figures into this relationship, we have alpha prime beta prime equals 2 over 3 all squared into 2 over 3 all squared minus 4 into 1/3, which is equal to 4 over 9 into 4 over 9 minus 4 over 3. On simplifying, we say that alpha prime beta prime equals 4 over 9 times minus 8 over 9, which gives us minus 32 over 30 over 81. Our new equation is given by x squared minus into alpha prime plus beta prime into x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0, which implies x squared minus into minus 4 all over 9 into x minus 32 over 81 equals 0. On simplifying, we see that 81x squared plus 36x minus 32 equals 0 is our new equation. And the solution is complete. Now let's do the last example. That's example 2C. Let me give you time to copy. Okay, now let's do example 2C. This here is this is example 2C. Let's do example 2D. Please correct this. That's example C. Now let's do example 2D. Example 2D. D. Let alpha prime be equal to 1 over alpha and beta prime be equal to 1 over beta, which implies alpha prime plus beta prime equals 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta, which upon simplifying gives us alpha plus beta over alpha beta. Now we are going to substitute these figures directly since you guys already know what's going on. So this will be equal to two over 3 divided by 1 over 3, which is equal to 2. And alpha prime beta prime will be equal to 1 over alpha times 1 over beta, which is equal to 1 over alpha beta. And if we substitute alpha beta in here, this will be 1 over 3, which is equal to 3. Now if we recall, our new equation is given by x squared minus into alpha prime plus beta prime, x plus alpha prime beta prime equals 0. So if we slot in those figures directly into this relationship, our new equation becomes x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals 0. And that's the new equation. And our solution is complete. Tomorrow I'll give you some homework to do. So let's get done for today. You will have exercise 1.3 tomorrow. Copy it from the board.